Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the speaker cable for later replacement. Disconnect the speaker cable from the connector on the motherboard. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the top cover. Remove the four 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the speakers to the top cover. Lift the speakers off the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the speakers.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.